Hello everyone, welcome to GreyPot. Today's recipe is a chicken recipe cooked in creamy white sauce. Today we are making chicken pot pie. This is a super tasty recipe. So let's start by heating a pan. Add some butter. Once the butter is melted, add in some chopped onions and saute it for a couple of seconds. Now add in some veggies like chopped carrots and chopped beans. You can also include mushrooms, broccolis, or any other veggies of your choice. Saute it for some time and then add in grated ginger. Mix it till its raw smell goes. Add in some salt. Now into this, add in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Mix it and you have to saute it till the flour is cooked. After a few seconds, you will get a beautiful aroma. Now into this, I'm gonna add some chicken stock. You can either use homemade or the store-bought one. Add the stock little by little to avoid lumps. And in this recipe, I'm also adding chicken cooked in salt and pepper. And I've added a lot of water while cooking the chicken so that I can take chicken stock out of it. Chicken stock already has pepper, so add more pepper accordingly. Now add in some rosemary for that extra flavor. Now I am adding around 1/3 cup of milk. But if you want, you can add in regular cream or thick cream to give more richness to this recipe. Now add in the cooked chicken. Give it a good mix and bring it to a good boil and then turn off the flame. While the mixture is cooling down, take out the pie dough from the freezer and keep it outside. This is the leftover dough from the strawberry pie recipe which I made last week. I cling wrapped the dough and kept it in freezer. Once the dough comes to room temperature, sprinkle some flour and then roll it out. Now I'm gonna cut my dough into strips for my pot pie recipe. Now cut this into equal size strips. Now I'm making these pot pies in small portions like a single servings. So I took some ramekins and added the chicken and veg mixture in it. Now take 4 strips and place it horizontally like this. Now flip up the 2 alternate strips and place another strip vertically, same like I'm doing it here. By doing this, you are creating a beautiful lace design here. And if you want to make a large serving, then you can add the chicken and veg mixture into a large bowl and cut out long pie strips and make the same design on top of it. Now press down the sides so that the dough will stick to the sides of the ramekins. And also you can cut down the excess from the sides. If you want, you can apply some water so that the dough will stick properly. Now our one bowl is ready. Now repeat the same with all other ramekins. If you want, you can also try out different other designs, same like the strawberry pie design which I made it last week. You have to do it very gently and carefully or you may break the strips. Now these pot pies are ready to be baked. Now let me show you one more design you can make. So cut out this pie dough in circular shape and give small slits like this. And while placing it on top of the ramekin, slightly stretch it to get that beautiful design. And before baking, you definitely have to give an egg wash so that the dough will turn beautiful golden brown color while baking. Now bake these pot pies in a 180-degree preheated oven for 40 minutes or until the top part turns out beautiful golden brown color like this. This tastes the best when it is served piping hot. So my dear friends, you definitely have to try out this creamy, delicious chicken veg pot pies. After making this pot pie, a very little pie dough was remaining, so I made these cute little dessert cups from that. I made these mini cups in my muffin tray and I baked it till it turns brown color and added some lemon curd into it from my last recipe, the lemon pavlova. So definitely try out these small little dessert cups. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Google+, and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications of new videos. Watch more interesting and unique recipe videos from our channel GreyPot. Do check it out. Thank you.